everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I'm going to share what I got from Walmart grocery pickup. So I ordered online yesterday, and I kind of tend to put things in my cart throughout the day and kind of like think about it and check my fridge and check my pantry and check my freezer and all that sort of thing. And then I finalize my order at night before I go to bed and pick up the next day. You can also order in the morning and pick up at night, but this is what I got today. Laundry detergent. I used to make laundry detergent and I found that I was sensitive to borax. And so I stopped making it, and I just started buying this free and clear, and it works for me. Doesn't bother my skin. I have skin sensitivities, and I just have to be careful with certain things that I eat and put on my skin. And I tend to wear a lot of cotton and that sort of thing. So over the years, I've kind of figured out what works for me. And one of those things is a natural-ish or like free and clear laundry detergent. Watermelon! I did a favorites video where I talk about watermelon. Today I did not pick this watermelon, so no idea if it's gonna be good. We'll see. And then I got a pineapple. So hopefully this will be all good in a couple of days. The only thing I hate about the thing I hate about pineapple is that it gets like moldy underneath. Does anybody else have the issue? What do you do to solve that? I've heard of people putting it like upside down or like leaning it against the side of the counter or something. But I don't know, I just feel like that's kind of weird. Anyway, thoughts on that? I got some carrots, got some oranges. These are really yummy. Some creamer, I've talked about this several times. It just has non-fat milk, heavy cream, sugar, natural flavor, and salt. Got the gold bars. I kind of joke because they're more expensive, but it's delicious. And once you try this kind, all other butter is ruined and pale and tasteless. Got some bacon. We usually do bacon on Sunday, but sometimes we do it throughout the week a little bit too. And I got some turkey sausage. On Saturdays we make sausage cheese balls. I say this every week, but it's true. Got some light tasting olive oil. I use this to make mayonnaise. I have a recipe that I will link for you in the cards. If you click the I, you can check out all the videos that I link. And I also make ranch dressing. It's a similar concept. I'll leave the link in the description box for the blog post that I made about how to make ranch. What are these called? Olives. I was gonna get these from Azure Standard, but they were out of the like big package of them. And so I just got one today. I was talking about chips in my last Walmart grocery haul, and Jamie Kite was saying that she liked these. And I think I've tried them before a while ago, but I don't know why I just hadn't ordered them. They were actually on sale for like $2 something, like $2.60 something, $2.68 maybe or something. So anyway, I'm gonna go for these again. Like, of course, these are delicious. So thanks, Jamie, and I will leave a link in the iCards for a collab video that we did together. You guys should totally watch. Then, there was my compromise of the week. My husband and my kids, well, we all love pizza, but I got these organic pizza dough. I got 2 of them, actually. Because I've tried all kinds of different sorts of pizza dough, and we just haven't found one that we absolutely love yet. So this one is organic wheat flour, water, yeast, organic canola oil, and less than 2% of sugar and salt. So super simple, organic flour. No, it's not whole wheat or sprouted, but I'm calling this good. So putting this in the freezer, and then you just let it de-thaw. And I think it's supposed to stay, room temperature, and then you just roll it out and then put your sauce and your cheese. And I bought pepperoni from Azure Standard. You can check out my Azure Standard haul. I will link either in the cards or in the description box. They're both. Forget how many cards. I can only do 5 cards, so I will link that playlist. When I go to the grocery store, it's really like a fill-in haul because I buy most of my groceries through Azure Standard. Like I'll buy rice and oatmeal and beans and like all those bulky grain or bean kind of things. I tend to buy those in bulk, and then I get a local produce haul every week that has like most of my vegetables in it and a couple of fruits. So mostly what I get from the store is a couple of fruits and then like household items. And then I also buy meat in bulk from a local rancher where it's grass-fed, and I bought that last year, like a quarter of a cow, so I have that in the freezer. And then I think last week I bought a whole chicken. I don't think I recorded my video last week, but I tend to get whole chickens and cut them up and use them in several meals instead of buying parts of chicken, so it's all good, but that's how I tend to do it. I was thinking about making a video about how to cut up a whole chicken, but I wasn't sure if that would like gross everybody out or if that would actually be helpful. So it would help me if you would let me know in the comments if you think it would be cool for me to show you how I cut up a whole chicken to make multiple meals. I have like all the videos filmed. I just feel like it's gonna be weird to upload it because it might offend some people, but maybe I'll just put a disclaimer in the title or something. This is a whole chicken that's raw. And you can see how I use it for multiple meals. So let me know in the comments if you want that video. Really not sure if I'm gonna post it or not. So I think that's all I got today. Oh, one more thing. This is what was really important. I started making bread. I have a gluten-free bread recipe that I go by. I will leave in the description box. And I didn't have any yeast, so I added this on. Going to make the bread. I hadn't added the wet ingredients yet. It was just the dry ingredients, so yay. So I'm gonna add this in, make a couple loaves of that bread for us, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want a $10 off coupon code, check out the link in the description box. I am so excited that I can give you guys $10 off, and it also gives me $10 off if you use my link, which I really appreciate. It just makes me so happy that we can be a mutually beneficial relationship here. And I love hearing you guys saying, oh, I used your link. And you gonna say hi? So I will see you in my next video. Say bye.